Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make something really fun. We're going to make some straw toppers. Let's Resin sent me a set of their brand new straw topper molds to try out, so thank you so much. This set comes in two pieces. Here is the first one. There's actually two styles of straw toppers. So this one here comes in 4 pieces. And here is the second one. This style is only 2 pieces. And to make the straw toppers, we are going to be using some chunky glitter from Let's Resin, some mica powder, these are actually from Tea Expert, and some epoxy resin also from Let's Resin. Are you ready? Let's get started! After mixing the resin, we're going to separate the resin into smaller cups and add the mica powder. We have blue, purple, silver gray, and peach red. Next, taking a toothpick, I'm going to carefully drip the resin into the crevices in the mold. We will fill the backs later with a second layer. We're going to do this with the paw print, the peace sign, and the ball. On the other mold, we're going to fill it all the way up to the top directly. I'm using a toothpick to help dislodge any stray bubbles on the sides and bottom of the mold. It's been a few hours and we're ready for the second layer. For this layer, we're going to be using glitter. We're going to pour in our glitter mix until all the molds are completely filled. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our resin is cured. I am so excited about this. So let's take a look. Here's our first one. It's the one with the peace symbol. And this style comes in 4 pieces. So those are the front and back, and these are the sides. Oh, so sparkly. Don't you just love this chunky glitter? So we need to assemble these pieces. There is a front and a back, and these halves are actually in the middle. So we want to stack them like this and make it so that there's a space in the middle for the straw. The ball. I love the glitter. You know, it's too bad because this side would actually be hidden later on, so we can only see the sides here. Here's the sunflower. Here's the daisy. And here's the paw print. Here's the other mold. So the way these work is you put them face to face. That way there's a hole in the middle. Here's a circle. We have the star. Here's the diamond. Here's the crown. This one is like a Minnie Mouse bow. Here's the ribbon. And here's the fleur-de-lis. Before we assemble, let's finish the flower. So I'm going to paint white into the grooves here. This is just regular acrylic white paint. I'm gonna make sure it goes into the grooves. And then with the baby wipe, we're going to wipe off the top. There we go. Doesn't it look so much better now? Let's do the same with the back side. You should work relatively fast because you don't want the paint to dry before you wipe it off. Just do a quick swipe and don't dig into the grooves. For the daisy, I'm going to use a paint marker to paint the lines in. I'm going to use some super glue to seal the pieces together. Okay, it is a little bit slippery, so you gotta be careful. And if you do get some glue residue, you can take it off with a little bit of acetone. As you can see here, we need to be careful because the two pieces can slide around a bit before the glue dries. Okay, here's your second one. For this next one, I'm actually going to put the piece on the table. That way, it might not slide as much before it dries. The nice thing about the super glue is that you do get a tiny bit of time to make adjustments. Okay, that's perfect. Alright, so this set of two pieces is done and they are looking really good. Yes, look at his heart. I love it. Star. Now let's assemble the four pieces. So these are a little bit trickier because we have four pieces, and as you saw on the previous set, it does get a little bit slippery, so we need to be careful. And some of these need to be matched up perfectly, so let's just see. I match it up first before we add the glue, or else it's gonna be off. Let's quickly assemble all the different styles. So I'm finding that because the mica powder and glitter I used for some of these are too close in color, which makes it hard to see the details. So I'm going over it again with some paint markers. This will make the raised areas more pronounced. Alright everyone, and we are done. Here are the 13 straw toppers that we made today. So these 5 are the ones with 4 pieces, and these 8s up here are the ones with the 2 pieces. And as you can see, the ones down here are a little bit more detailed. So we have these lines that we painted with some acrylic pens and also some acrylic paint. Alright, it's time to test it out. So here on my little Disney cup, let's put our little pink bow. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. And over here on our little cup, let's put our little sunflower. Oh, look at that. Isn't this fun? So I can swap it out whenever you want. If you want a star, you can add a star. If you want some paw prints, you can add paw print. It is so easy to swap. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Let's stick this crown on here. Oh my gosh, this is a perfect match. And we still have a whole lot more to mix and match. Alright guys, so do you have a favorite? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!